Basic English. Practice your reading and listening with this story.
When you finish, do the short quiz we have for you in the first comment. Celebrating love and friendship in Colombia. Hi everyone. My name is Laura. And today I want to tell you about a special day we celebrate in Colombia called Love and Friendship. It happens every year in September, usually on the third Saturday. But this year, we are celebrating it on September 17th. It's one of my favorite holidays because it's all about showing love and appreciation for the people we care about, our friends and family. On Love and Friendship, we play a fun game called Secret Friend. Everyone in a group, like at school or work, writes their name on a piece of paper. Then each person randomly picks a name from the pile. The person they pick is their secret friend, and they have to give them a small gift without telling anyone who they got. It's so fun because no one knows who their secret friend is until the end. In Colombia, this celebration is a big event for couples, families, and friends. On this weekend, many people go out to eat at restaurants, or get together at someone's house, or at a family farm. When it is a big group, it's very common to finish the secret friend game on this weekend by revealing who your secret friend is and exchanging gifts. This weekend is also great for businesses like restaurants, ice cream shops, shopping malls, bars, and other places where people meet up. These businesses get very busy because everyone is out celebrating with their loved ones. Many people buy gifts, flowers, and chocolates to give to their partners or friends, so stores also have special offers during this time.
Chapter 2. Test your listening skill a little more advanced.
In my family, we celebrate by getting together for dinner. My mom always makes a delicious meal, and we sit down to eat and talk. After dinner, we exchange small gifts. I love giving gifts to my family and friends because it makes me feel happy to show them how much I care. This year, I'm planning to give my best friend, Camila, a box of her favorite chocolates. She loves sweet things, so I know she will be excited. We also like to write nice notes to each other. My mom always writes something sweet like, "Thank you for being such a great daughter." And it makes me feel special. I think it's important to tell people how much you love and appreciate them. Love and friendship is not just about gifts, though. It's also about spending time together and creating memories. After we exchange gifts, we usually play some board games, listen to music, and sometimes even dance. This holiday is really important to me because it reminds me of how lucky I am to have such wonderful people in my life. And you? How do you celebrate love and friendship in your country?
New vocabulary. Holidays. Special days of celebration or rest, often connected with religious or cultural traditions. Example: Christmas is one of the most popular holidays in many countries. Care about. To feel that something or someone is important or matters to you. Example. I really care about my family and love spending time with them.
Pick.
To choose something or someone from a group. Example. We need to pick a restaurant for our family dinner. Board games. Games that are played on a flat surface with pieces moved around, often for entertainment. Example. On rainy days, we love playing board games like Monopoly. Get together. When people meet to spend time with each other, often in a social setting. Example. We usually get together with friends on the weekends to have fun.
It reminds me.
A phrase used when something makes you think about a past event or person. Example. Hearing that song always reminds me of my childhood.